Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Rockstar Trading Livestream. Today, guys, we'll be talking about the top 10, top 5 best coins to buy in 2021. We'll be talking about investing, trading, staking, and also enjoy our live stream as well. It's been an amazing year for cryptocurrency since, middle of last year. It's been one of the best markets to trade. If you've been watching my channel, if you've been trading or investing in cryptocurrency, even if you're new, I'm sure you guys have enjoyed making money in this market. So we'll be sharing with you exactly which coins we're trading in the Rockstar Trading Group, in the YouTube channels. Take questions. I get lots of questions on the YouTube videos I make. This is your opportunity to take questions. I try and do 1 or 2 free live streams on YouTube a month. In the Rockstar Trading Group, I do 3 to 4 live streams, Telegram group, signals, courses, and all that good stuff. If you are interested, I'll talk about it at the end of the live stream. But this live stream, guys, I just want to give opportunity to all my viewers and subscribers to talk, enjoy ourselves, and have an amazing live stream. So give me a couple of minutes to post in the social media, post a link into Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Telegram groups, and then all the links. There's lots of free groups you can check out at the links below. And then, guys, we'll get into it. I'll try to stay live for an hour, answer as many questions, and you have fun as well. This is Friday. Have a drink. You've had a long week trading cryptocurrency, or if you have a job, run a business. Now let's enjoy ourselves and make money trading cryptocurrency. So give me a couple of minutes, guys, then I'll get started. In the meantime, if you have any questions, comment, and we'll get started. So declaring Syscoin will hit $5 this week. Just take a look. Yeah, I'll have a look at Syscoin. Syscoin had some news as well. Someone in the group traded Syscoin. I'll talk about Syscoin, my friend. So a few people that are joining, can you guys hear me well? Just comment below that you can hear me well so you can see what chart you can see. And yeah, we'll get started in a couple of minutes. The start of the live stream, I'll talk about Bitcoin and some of our favorite coins. I know I've titled it top 10 coins to buy. So I'll talk about, some of our best coins to explode. And then I'll go into all the technical analysis. Again, if there's any coins that you think are going to pump next, let us know. In social media, the more coins you share, more people watch it, more people find out, the quicker it can pump. Yeah, a few people watching. Can you guys comment that you can hear me well? The screen is okay. I'm not, or I can't see as many comments. Yeah, coins coming in. Hello, Sophie. Hopefully you're well. Yeah, I'll talk about XRP and BTT. Joshua. Yeah, hopefully Zilliqa pops soon. We'll talk about Zilliqa. I've shared in all my social medias. Can see your comments. So just find out last mic check. Can you guys hear me well? And can you see the screen? And I'll get started now. just put a thumbs up that you can hear me well, and you can see the screen, and I'll get started. Hopefully we have people from last one that I did was amazing. We had lots of people join. There might be a bit of a lag, but just comment below that you can hear me well and it's all good before I start talking. Right, everything seems great. Let's get started. So Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin had a bit of a dip, but it's really looking nice the way it's holding the weekly support. We've seen this previously where Bitcoin dipped into this support level and held really strongly. We're seeing this again. Bitcoin dipped, is holding the support very strongly, and that's what we want to see. I did share a short setup yesterday live stream that I did in the group where we took a short here, and it was a 5-minute scalp. In a market like this, guys, the Bitcoin is up 100, 200, 300%. You don't really, the risk to reward in shorting isn't that great. If you just look at a clean chart, if you're trying to short, guys, you're only shorting in the 5-10 minute time frame. You make more money longing. So, you know, if you do take leverage trades, you can win a lot more of your trades just by going long. I've shared my stock market trading strategy where we talked about things just pumping, and we've seen it before where coin just pumps. And we see, if you look at the stock market, guys, stock market is up in a weekly time frame, daily time frame. So if you just taken long trades in the stock market last year, even if you're a bad trader, you don't know technical analysis, I can guarantee you probably would have made money. So it's really important to understand. Hello, David, hopefully you're good. David and Sophie are like some key members of the group, and we'll talk about Cake. Cake is our favorite coin. So, you know, people talking about top 10 coins to buy, I'd say Cake is our #1 coin. And again, you know, I'm being completely honest, we own a lot of Cake. I personally own, I've not staked Cake, few people stake Cake, so I'm not trying to pump and dump on you guys, but look into Cake. It's a coin that we really like, and I'll talk a lot about Cake, the coin, and cakes. Like, I love Cake, the food as well. So that's a really good tip I want to share with you. You know, I really want to help you guys take, if you're losing money in this market, it's really bad. And hello, mate. I can't read that name. It's really important to understand what the market is doing. So if you are looking to trading a simple trade setup, you know, you can learn my strategy or have your own strategy. Just look for longs, unless you know, Bitcoin starts breaking daily or weekly support. That's a very good tip for you to learn. So what am I looking at Bitcoin for now, guys? As long as Bitcoin holds, you know, 54k level, I'm bullish on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market. I'm looking for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market to push higher. And especially what I'd prefer is for the weekend anyway is Bitcoin to consolidate. If Bitcoin consolidates between 58k and 54k, some of the altcoin trades I'm going to share with you guys, you make money trading some of the altcoin setups. So this is what we like to see. One of the best weeks we traded altcoin was around this time. Bitcoin consolidated very tightly here, and it was amazing trading altcoins. Hopefully we something like this. If Bitcoin starts breaking out above 58k, I'll go back to the 5-minute time frame again. People from the group, you will know, you saw me this live short trade that I was doing. I'll try and do something similar when Bitcoin, if it happens in the live stream, I'll do some live trading as well for you guys, and, you know, show you. Actually, not a lot of YouTube channels do that. I'll share that with you, and, you know, look to trade this on this breakout. So these are the two key zones I'm watching. I'd love a Bitcoin pullback to here and look to long some Bitcoin using our trade setups, but I'd love Bitcoin to consolidate here. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. High time frame, guys, is just consolidating. You know, I like to look at the daily and weekly time frames, and if you look at the daily time frame, there's nothing bearish about this. If Bitcoin starts breaking out above 60k, just buy some. In a bull market, don't try and, you know, learn, you know, Fibonacci, Elliott waves and crazy indicators. Just, you know, long it, have stop loss, have risk management, and try to just run with it. And I think, you know, in my opinion, Bitcoin will have another rally, Ethereum will pump, and that will be our dream scenario. And altcoins will go 100, 200%, and we'll all be rich. That will be the dream scenario. Looking at just one coin that I talked about, Zilliqa is already up thousands of percent since last year. So, you know, don't wait wait for an altcoin season. No one's going to come and tell you, pat you on your back. It's up 10,000% since last year's bottom. And no one's gonna come and tell you, hey, hello friend, hello John, this is gonna pump, buy this and sell it here. You have to risk money, and there's always risk to trading. You just need to make sure that you've got the courage, you've done the work, and you can trade it. So going back to Bitcoin, high time frame, there's nothing bearish as long as it's holding above 50k, 48k. I'm bullish on it. If it starts breaking out above 60k, I'm gonna look to buy. So that's my thoughts on Bitcoin. Does that make sense? Do you guys agree with that? Don't agree with that? Let me know what you guys think. That is my quick thoughts on Bitcoin. And a couple of other things, again, I don't want to share all the secrets, but a couple of other things I look for is the stock market, what the stock market is doing and Dixie is doing. Looking at that, guys, Dixie, stock market, I do still think Bitcoin will consolidate, and then we'll have another leg up before this all ends. It could be towards the end of this year and early next year. Excuse me. Or it could be later on, but we'll see what happens. So any thoughts on Bitcoin, or you guys just want to talk about the 10x altcoins already, altcoins that are exploding? The comment is not loading as quickly. There's a bit of a lag, but that's fine. So just let me know what you guys think. Do you like this Bitcoin, or do you want to just talk about 10x coins? Chainlink, we took a Chainlink long. I'll make a YouTube video on Chainlink. I really like Chainlink, and I can share Chainlink now. Give me an exploding coin. Shall we just talk about cake? I wanted to wait a bit before we talk about cake. So one exploding coin, I would say, is this. So this is a coin that we've traded. TVK. Where's my chart gone? So on this one. So TVK could 10x. This is an NFT monster, and again, we've traded TVK already from 30 cent. Sold half at 50 cent. If TVK starts trend changing above the daily, I think TVK will have a rally towards $1 and higher. This is NFT crazy coin drama, and I think this can pump a lot. So again, we'll look for pullbacks. I know people just on YouTube, especially, people don't care about trading. They just care about 10x coin. I think this is gonna rally a lot. One of the coins that I really want to talk about is Chainlink. I'll talk about Cake, but Chainlink, guys, I think I made this video a while back on VeChain, and I talked about that VeChain hasn't pumped as much as Cardano and as much as Zilliqa. So these three coins always pump together, and we've seen ADA pump, we've seen Zilliqa pump, but we hadn't seen VeChain pumps. I was really bullish on VeChain. You can go watch the videos on the YouTube channel. I'll show exactly which levels I'm looking to buy and sell, and then in the group we have strategies we get in on the live streams and all that good stuff. But Zilliqa, we've seen, if we look at from where it pumped, this was the initial breakout last year. People wait for altcoin season, but I made more money here. This was crazy pump, guys, and most people will get interested, and even in my group, people joined when BTT went up 300%, and that video went sort of not viral, but over 10k views. And it's the same thing. Zilliqa would probably pump here, and then people will say, "Oh, can I buy now?" But what I will say is, guys, things pumped massively in May, and then we've seen Zilliqa already up about 600% against BTC and Cardano. And Cardano is David's favorite coin, and we can talk about Cardano in a little bit more detail fundamentally. This is like more of a fun live stream. I'm having a drink as well, so hopefully you guys don't mind. We've seen it pump 500%, and if you studied VeChain before VeChain pumped, where's VeChain gone? VeChain hadn't moved even until March. It hadn't moved, and I kept saying this. VeChain I think would rally. Fundamentally, it's a very sound coin, and my main trade was from here to there. I sold half, I sold another half there, and I sold almost all in this previous all-time highs. Drink away. Yeah, it's been an amazing trade. Have a Elvic, I don't think I've seen you in the previous live streams, and if you guys are enjoying it, guys, just hit the like button, guys. It really helps me out. Again, check out my group, watch my YouTube videos, subscribe, but it would really help me out if you just like it, and it motivates me to do more. I think Soph's having a drink as well. And then we've changed our name to Cake Monster because cake's been amazing for us. But yeah, so again, I'm not saying Chainlink will pump. I've personally taken a trade. I'll share that with you from what I've posted, and it's not after the fact, it's before. I will make a YouTube video. And Chainlink has broken out, guys. Chainlink has broken out above this level, and it's up about 20%, and it's looking bullish. As long as Chainlink is holding above 60,000, I think Chainlink will rally. Awesome, Elvis. I really appreciate that, guys. Yeah, just a like. That's all you need to do. You don't have to, if you're interested in taking a trade to the next level, take advantage, you can check it out. But like would really mean a lot to me. So yeah, if you're looking at the weekly time frame and the monthly time frame, we can see the market of Chainlink is always rallied, and it's crazy that altcoins haven't pumped. Awesome, Adele. And yeah, it's just gone absolutely parabolic. So I do think Chainlink will have another rally. We can't really call it an altcoin season without Chainlink rally. So we'll see if we get that. So I'll be watching Chainlink, and this is what I'm looking at now. So Chainlink, break above 80,000, I look to add. And you've seen me trade, take a position and let it run. People talk about hodling, and one example I give, and again, don't think trading doesn't work. Like, I don't create the market. Some people think, oh, Rocko, tell us a 10x coin. That doesn't work. So I'll share with you one trade. This is DOT at $6, and this is last year when DOT was pumping, and we can see David's already in the live stream. Oh, thank you, $20. I'll talk about that. Which coin to buy. So yeah, you can see dot was breaking out above $6, and the way I did it is people ask how long to hodl. You can see where the price is. It was just breaking out above $6, and I bought quite a bit of dot. And what I did was I sold half, same as my VChain trade. And this is posted. You can see when it was posted, it was last year, and the dot price was down here. And again, I'm not saying Chainlink is going to do something like this, but this is what I want it to do. And DOT, I posted a pullback buy setup as well. DOT, when it dipped, I did buy, but you can see this is when we tried to get in this coin, and now it could go up another 100%, 200%. The best buy opportunities are here. So learn to trade. I had people that's been with me since 2019, and we kept saying, oh, there's going to be a pump, there's going to be a pump, and we finally got that amazing pump. And there's going to be another, it might dot, I think, goes to $100 or even higher. It will dip, and there will be another setup, and will pump again. So it's really important that making sure thinking about trading in a different way. Don't just think about buying and selling and you'll be a millionaire. Think about trading and growing your financial wealth. That's the best advice I can give you. I've been doing this for over 7-8 years, and that's the best advice I can give you. So going back to Chainlink, so if you want to crypto life, I'll talk about Chainlink. Chainlink is a coin that I'd look to buy. As long as Chainlink is holding above $38, I like. Look for the 4-hour pullback setups. Chainlink is breaking out. This is the setup that I shared. And then let me share Chainlink as well, what I posted. I usually post in the group, and then I post in the live streams. So this was the post in Chainlink that I made for our pullback holding, and when it was breaking out. And this was a detailed Chainlink post of why I like Chainlink so much, and I tried to explain it. It was breaking out above here, and this is where I started long in Chainlink. It was just breaking out above $21, and this was the detailed post in Chainlink. And I think Chainlink does rally. It was at $21, it was breaking out. So you can look to buy some Chainlink, and don't go all in into one coin. Thanks for the $20, by the way, I appreciate that. And then another coin I like is Cake, and I'll have to spend some time. My Twitter, I used to have a Twitter, and I'd just post charts and no one would follow me. And I've given to my friend, he's a marketer, and he's been posting about XRP and Dogecoin memes on my Twitter, and it's been going crazy. I've got thousands of followers now. And oh, thanks, Marty. Appreciate that. I don't know what your name is on Telegram. And if you don't want to share your name publicly on YouTube, that's fine. Let me know, and I'll make sure I don't share your name or change your name on the YouTube. I can't remember who you are, Marty, in the group, but that's a really kind feedback. So he says you can check in Rocko or Rockstar Trading. Is it Trader? There's a link to it. If you type in here, there's a link to it. You can check it out. I'll try and be a bit more active, but Twitter is more for fun. I'm just gonna post Dogecoin to $1 and all that crazy stuff, and that's what people like. Even on YouTube videos, people click on crazy videos. They don't. I always rant about this. One of my best videos I made was buy Bitcoin, $1 Bitcoin, and shout out to Da Vinci. He motivated me to make that video. It was last year. I made about Bitcoin, buy $1. It was breaking out above 20k. It's only got 180 views. And if you look at my BTT or Tron breakout to $1, there's like 10k, 11k views. Or Ethereum, the importance of Ethereum video, that was last year when Ethereum was breaking out. That's been one of my best trades, buying Ethereum below $400. You know, but people like just crazy stuff, like 10x coins. Anyways, so let's talk about cake. So, people from the group, do you want to talk anything bullish about cake? Again, we love cake. I would look to buy pullback in cake. I think it goes to $50 and higher if you study on cake. And what we can do in future live streams is, you know, analyze coins like ourselves. I do clickbait as well. Some YouTube videos, I'll never on my videos say, you know, buy Zilliqa now, it will go to $100, or I'll buy a coin and then get you guys to pump it and then, you know, sell it. I would never do that. Always in my videos, I talk about risk. I talked about, you know, Chainlink, but first thing I did is I talked about, you know, where to end. If you need to have stop loss, you can't just, you know, always have an exit strategy. Even if you say, I'm just buying it, I'm happy to lose all my money and I'll put just 1,000, couple of grand in one coin and I'm happy to lose my money. It's really important to do that. So think 75. Where do you think cake goes, David? So cake and Soph got me into cake. For my first trade, cake's been a 10x for me already. PLN. What does that mean? Oh, you just paid me, David. Cake goes to $100. What does PLN a coin? You can shill your coins as well. If there's a coin that you guys own and you want to pump it, shill it on this YouTube. I know we've only got 30, 50 people watching, but there's you never know if someone might like your coin, buy it and pump it for you. So Dogecoin is more of a scalping coin, and I'll share that with you. And this scalping strategy, where's Dogecoin? Share Dogecoin. Harmony, yeah, one's been amazing. I've traded one myself. ADB, let's show Sophie's coin. I want to pump Sophie's bag. To be fair, Sophie picks one of the best coins. It is coming into some support. Do you know about any news? And don't just shill it. Talk about it, why you like it. So I remember looking at this coin. This was a big breakout. I want to get in on breakouts. I think Sophie's got in before. I talk about STMX. Lots of people talking about STMX. I think that pumps. FTM. Yeah, we can look at FTM. So I wanted to know if this got news, but I like this. You know, the selling pressure slowing down. RSI is getting oversold. I would like more volume. You can see the volume is down. We want to get in when we see real volume like this, big green candles. If we see a big green candle here, I would start getting interested in this. It is in a zone that I like. And I'm not a trend line trader. I don't trade trend lines, but I like this trend line break. Oh, is it? Okay. Well, let's pump it. I'll buy some. So I'll open Binance account and do some drunk live trading. But I wouldn't want to get in below this red zone. I wouldn't buy it now. If it does something like this, then obviously you know my strategy, Sophie. I'd definitely look to jump in there. So yeah, it looks good. You like trend lines? Dragon coin, I'll tell you a story. Just randomly in the gym, there I speak to a guy, and I'm not a big guy. I don't know if Rezwan's alive. I really want to go to the gym. I've just been trading. I'm only, you know, late 20s, and I've got backaches and just trading charts and sitting on my desk. So I've started going to the gym, and yeah, there's someone in the gym was talking to me about Dragon coin. You know, the bull market peak is near when everyone else talking about cryptocurrency. Yeah, just be a bit careful. So I like this. I'll have a look at this. FTM. I did take a trade in FTM. Would I buy FTM now? I wouldn't like to buy it now, mate. If it pulls back, you know, it pulled back to our zone. What's his name? Someone in the group got in. I think it's Eddie. FTM, what's FTM BTC doing? Yeah, I would see the pullback to 5618. Oh, the taxi driver, yes. Exactly. If the taxi driver is asking you about a coin, then you know. Yeah, it is coming into this resistance 618 level. Yeah, if you buy some now, it would have to be just like with wide stop loss. I'd have my stop loss below, let's say 45 cent. I'd let it pull back to 50 cent. If it doesn't bounce from here, I'd look to exit. Scalp coin Doge. Let me share a Doge setup, and there's a free scalping video on my channel. You can check it out. Let me see if I can find that setup. I did share one here. I don't want to say, oh, it happened there, bought it there. I'll share with you something that I shared. So this is a Dogecoin setup. Broke out, pull back to 50%, holding the 50% 618 zone, and plan as long as above 25, target 32, and it pumped nicely. Held 25, held 32. That's his scalp. Dogecoin, and it was in a couple of minutes. Dogecoin can pump crazy. Dogecoin I wouldn't really hold with, you know, it doesn't you need to know every coin has a 5x. Thank you, Kurtz. That's awesome. Really good to hear. Last live stream that I did on YouTube, we had about 100 people watching, like concurrent viewers. It's a bit less today, but I still, again, if it's just 10 people, I still enjoy it. So FTM, if you look to buy it, that's how I'd manage it. I think FTM goes to above $1. I like FTM. I've not been able to jump in here. I just took a trade here, which is a bit annoying, but if I could have got way more in FTM. FTM's looking good. I like FTM. This will be a coin I like. So Dogecoin, let me have a look at Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is looking good. Dogecoin could be breaking out. So I usually look for like trend changes at support. So coins that are trending, coins that have got news. You know, in the group, there's people that tell me about coins. Like, you know, Sov told me about Cake. You just find out social media, Reddit groups, Facebook groups, YouTube videos. There's so many coins to buy, and then you need to have a strategy. If it follows strategy, then we can trade it. So I know we've been talking about Cake. If Cake dips to $30, I'm gonna buy loads more Cake. I think Cake heads to, I know some people said $100, $75. If you study about Pancake, what Pancake is doing, I think Cake goes a lot higher. And fundamentally, Cake, Uniswap are like two of my favorite coins. And Uniswap, I've not made a YouTube video on this. If you watch Uniswap, I've been in since less than $3. And the way I do it is, even if you're getting Cake at 30, sell it, you know, when it's going up, first resistance, $35, $40, take some profit and try to let it run. XTZ, I like XTZ. I'll look at XTZ for you guys now. I like XTZ. Cake, I got stopped out here, jumped with big positions there, stop loss there. I jumped in, and same as what I'm saying with Ling, that's what I did with Uni. I bought some way more positions when it's breaking out. Most recent position in Uni, I can share that with you. Let me see if I can find it. So most recent trade in Uni is this one. Same, this is my trade setup. If you want to learn or steal my trade setup, let's pull back to the zone. Uni, as you can see, let me go into Uni BTC. You'll see that setup, and I tried to line it up with Uni BTC and Uni USD. This was a 4-hour pullback, and this is where we got in. I love Uni. If you want to buy one coin, I'd buy Uni now. Shared some small cap crazy coins as well. and UTK, TVK, Polks. Those are some crazy coins that I own. Pump my bags. XTZ. So what's your favorite coin? Comment below. I'll pick the most popular coin. Comment below your favorite coin. Whatever is XRP, Doge, whatever coin. Just comment below your favorite coin, and I'll review that next in detail. I mean, buy the dip here. That's not a bad buy the dip opportunity. Yeah, weekly support. I like this. I would have my stop loss below there. I'm not staking uni, I'm just hodling uni. I need to stake, shouldn't I? I'm doing a lot more research so far. I mean, Ozzy and David's got me into staking. So I'm gonna look to stake cake, and it would be funny, wouldn't it? The first day I start staking cake and it dips. I think it's big news, and I don't even think about it from a price point of view. What Uniswap is doing, maybe I should make a Uniswap video. What Uniswap is doing with the decentralized exchanges, I think it's amazing. Not many, all cryptocurrency, stock market trading, it's always through another company we're trusting. And what Uniswap's done is completely changed the market, in my opinion. It's one of the best. I know they have got issues with prices, and David will argue with me if he's still here, but they're the first company that made the automated market maker. So, usually the way exchanges work, let me know if you like fundamentals. Yeah, same. I'm gonna get into it, and I wish I've been in cake since $3-4, like you said. So a Sia coin, yeah. Which coins do you think will pump the most? Comment below. I'm happy to have a look. Theta was another crazy coin as well. I'm gonna look to jump into Theta and ADA soon. I think Theta and ADA will pump. So yeah, comment below one coin that will go crazy, and I'll review that. So yeah, just to talk about my analysis, and I'm not a fundamentals. There's people a lot smarter, and coders and cryptographers, they're smarter than me in technical analysis and chart wise. I've been looking at charts for 18 hours a day. My life is a bit different now. I've got a girlfriend, and I don't trade as much as I used to. Before, I'd trade 18 hours a day, no family, no work, just stare at charts. And chart wise, trading humbles you a lot as well. It makes you wrong so much. If Bitcoin stops tipping, I'll lose money. So so talking about uni, so fundamentally, automated market makers using the smart contracts, rather than having Binance and connect buyer and sellers, trusting a centralized exchange like we do with stocks, forex, or forex is slightly different. Uniswap's changed the market with having automated market makers with smart contracts that holds liquidity, and anyone can provide that liquidity, and then it just trades it. And there's a formula that looks at the ratio. I think it's X times Y equals K. So it looks at the ratio of the liquidity pool. So if you want to be a liquidity provider for Ethereum USD or ADA USD, you put $50 worth of ADA and $50 worth of USD, and that ratio helps with the price. And I think it's like a great invention, Uniswap. That's why I like it so much. But the issue with Uniswap is the fees. That is a big issue being on Ethereum. Pancake or Cake has solved that. I believe they've copied Uniswap, and I think David's gone. I'd like to have a discussion if anyone knows. They have copied Uniswap, but being on Binance Smart Chain makes them a lot cheaper, and that's why I think Cake has pumped so much. But if you talk about the original people that invented the original, yes, I was. You just lose, man. I mean, I've told stories, and this is why I like this. YouTube. It's more fun, tongue-in-cheek live stream. We can talk about normal stuff. Yeah, I used to just trade, mate, and before I left my job, I'd have charts and alerts on my phone, and I tried to trade at work during meetings, and yeah, it was crazy. It was, looking back, is one of the best times. And there's always going to be a market. When you're trading, you make consistent gains if you learn to trade the right way. But then you need times like this. I got lucky with Bitcoin in 2017. Buying 5-minute oversold RSI was just money. Then this altcoin season, Theta, Uni, Dot. Is it the best point to buy Uni now? If you look at the Uni chart, even if Uni goes a lot higher, and this is already pumped, let's say, you know, it's pumped 2000%. I think it goes a lot higher. But again, risk to reward, guys, you've got to be careful. I think uni goes a lot higher, and I don't want you to guys to miss the opportunity. If you ask me about market cycle, and it's really important, I think we're in somewhere here. So we could go up another 200, 300%, but it's not like those 1000% gains. And it's still the best opportunity to make money. You know, this type of market, you don't need the best strategy. Even people in my group that are making money now, if it's turns into a bear market, it will be difficult for them. That's very small. I don't think you can make significant amount of money using that. Learn to trade with it, get a job, and try to have more money. Even $1,000, you have to learn. See if you can grow $1,000 to $2,000. I'd say have a job and try to grow your wealth. And then have investments as well. And you'd need luck. It needs a lot of luck. You know, Canadian marijuana, Bitcoin 2017, and this, you know, looking at just some of the coins I'm sharing. And these are not after the facts. Again, go check out my video, ADA, Zilliqa, Theta. Some of the small cap coins I don't share here, but all the big coins that I trade, those are the coins that get views. You can see the entry point, especially Theta. Theta has been amazing. And Theta, someone else pointed me into that group about Theta. I don't know if he's on the live stream. He loves Theta, and he sold me how good Theta is. Same as what Soph did with Cake. So coming back to Cake, what I would like, you know, a big dip and consolidation. And if it breaks out again, similar to this, I'd look to jump in Cake. I think Cake goes a lot higher. Any coin requests you guys want me to view? Wabi and Power. Hey, talking about Theta, my guy is already here for Theta. My guy is here for Theta. I don't want Enrico. I'll call you Enrico because that's a YouTube name. But yeah, this guy, he's been known me for like 2018, I think, when I first started. One of the first guys that joined. It used to be just $10. I used to charge, I think it was $5 even. Obviously now you can see I'm charging a lot more. The more people there is, it's a lot difficult to, you know, manage the group. So it's not that I'm being greedy. Still trading and keeping people happy is difficult. But yeah, I think you got in Theta below $1, didn't you? And you've had Theta since like below 10 cent. I don't know, something crazy. I jumped into Theta. My first big position was 80 cent. That was my first big position in Theta. And if you watch videos of Theta from December and January, granddad, yeah. I think trading's made me older. Trading's made me a lot older than I am. Not 0.023. So you know the guy who said he wants to trade with $100? You need a bit of luck, like getting into that level at a coin and then trade it. Okay, that's what I mean. Yeah, 2, 3. That's better than me. So just to make people a bit jealous. So where's 23? That's not the right one. Let's get the log chart out. Sophie, you've made crazy gains on Cake. I don't think you can be jealous. 2, 3, just 2, 3. Is it like below before it even got onto Binance? It just made me lose here, mate. 23, right? Yeah, it's a lot higher than, but you know, you've got 6,000% gain. And then you've added at $3 and $4. Those levels, wasn't it? Those are the levels. I think one of the trades I shared live on YouTube as well. I did 2 back-to-back Theta videos. It was this one. This was a live one on YouTube. My clear setup. I don't like SafeCoin. I think it might be a scam. Is it SafeMoon? Which exchange is it on? So best advice I can give you is watch the charts. So one of the biggest, again, this is like my secret to trading, is Ethereum BTC chart. And Thanks, mate. You only need 1 or 2 trades like this. Just stay patient, educate yourself, and get in 1 or 2 trades like that. So looking at Ethereum chart, if Ethereum, guys, like, when Ethereum started trend changing against Pancake Swap, yes, Michael, that's our favorite coin. But once Ethereum is breaking into new highs, that's what we like to see. I think Ethereum will give a pullback now. We've had a big rally, and if you like 1272 Fib extension, this comes in here. So just gonna be a bit cautious. But this is what I like. When Ethereum is breaking out against BTC, this is when I increase my exposure into Ethereum. And before you look at altcoins that are trending higher. And Sol, SRM are 2 other coins I'm reading up. Giving so many coins out. Exchange tokens, I love exchange tokens. Look at these 3 tokens, they're all connected. And we want to buy coins that are in an uptrend. Tom Brady's, is Theta doing NFT as well now, Enrico? I didn't think Theta was doing NFT. That's crazy. I didn't know Theta was doing NFT. Thought it's more Zilliqa and Tron were trying, and Ada was trying to get into NFT. It's Cake BTC doing? I've not checked out Cake BTC chart. Yeah, Cake BTC is just mooning, isn't it? Yeah, it will be big. Theta. I mean, Theta and Ada, I'm just waiting. They're just consolidating now. So it's non-fungible tokens. I'll make another video on it. I don't, again, fundamentally, I don't know too much about it. I just trade coins that have big news, and ENJ was one. This is in a top 5 videos coin I posted. The ENJ was breaking out into new highs above 60 cent. Yeah, I remember. I'll go check that, Enrico. So this was breaking out, and then ENJ BTC was breaking out same time. And then this is when I aggressively got into, you can see February 28th, and ENJ USD both were breaking out. If you check the date on there, February 28th time. And yeah, that's when I got in aggressively with ENJ. They had lots of NFT news. Same with Tron. And look for more news, how it affects price, rather than, this is a really important, how to see the markets. Don't just, buy and sell. Look at how the market reacts to the news. That's a really important. Thanks, guys. 20 likes. That's pretty good. Propy. Some of the coins. Where did you hear about Propy? Is there any news about Propy? Let me know if there's any news. I'm happy to spend a bit more time on looking at it. NASCAR, I don't know what that means, mate. I'm gonna have a look at that airdrop. So when is the airdrop, Enrico, in Theta? Post in the group again. I'll have a look. I think I missed the opportunity to sign up. Uni airdrop. I got Uni airdrop as well. You got 400 tokens Uni. If you used Uni before it launched, you got 400 tokens free. That 400 tokens now is a lot of money. Well, not a lot of money, but you know what I mean. Is it 400? Yeah, I think it was 400 tokens you got. Okay, that's not bad. So he's got a partnership or something, I'm assuming. I've missed out XRP. How come no one's talking about XRP? Just comment below. Are you guys fans of XRP? A thumbs up or a thumbs down? Anyone from XRP Army here? I've not talked about XRP, which is a bit crazy. There's usually lots of XRP fans. Not 0.3. Really good entry. We want to get in cheap. Anyone else? Enrico, I don't you traded XRP as well, I think. Any XRP fans? Biggest bag. Yeah, you took it as well. So one of my trade strategies, $1 bounce. You're the captain. I didn't know you're that big a fan. Which coin do you like more, Theta or XRP? If you could hold one coin, Enrico, that's a question for everyone. If you could hold one coin, which coin would you own? And I'll comment below which coin I own. Equal to Theta. Wow, you must love XRP then. If you could hold any coin, which coin would you hold? I'll answer at the end. Any coin in the world, which coin are you holding? Theta would be your only one, F or ADA. Mine is just 100%. I know which one I'll do. That's the main coin I hold. I trade lots, move my money into big bags of coins when things are setting up for me. ASAP regulations. See if people comment on it, which one they love most. I'll give a couple of minutes and then I'll share with you guys mine. How do you know, Enrico? That's not it. Mine could be Dogecoin, mate. Which coin would you hold if you could hold any coin in the world? On YouTube, I do them once a month, and it's more chilled. Like I'm just having a bit of fun as well. In the Rockstar Trading group, in our group, I do 3 to 4 live streams at minimum. ETH, VChain. So I'll share with you mine. My only coin that I have my biggest bag is Bitcoin, and I think Bitcoin started everything. So if I could hold one coin, I'm surprised Sophie not saying E, so not saying cake. Your name, Sophie, is cake. You're the cake monster, the cake master, cake queen. I can't remember. I forgot your name. So yeah, for me, it's Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is king. There is an argument, F potentially doing something crazy, but a lot of these other coins, I mean, ADA could do something big. People love ADA, and I've traded ADA like a mofo. I've traded ADA more than anyone. ADA's been Rockstar Trading Channel's best video series, and I wish I could record all my videos, like compile them, because I've traded this brilliantly, like buying it here, getting back in there. Cake Queen, yeah. Um, but yeah, if I could hold one coin, it will be BTC. And in Ethereum, they're the most decentralized. I know Binance Coin, Uni is decentralized. Um, Cake, even Cake, I love Cake. I've made lots of money with Cake, but it is Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin, and anyone new coming in, buy Bitcoin. And there are risks, and I always talk about risks more than benefits, but it will have to be Bitcoin for me. Yeah, ADA is great. What ADA is trying to do in Africa is good. I'll make another video on Cardano. But has Cardano got smart contracts? I think they've still not got smart contracts yet. And Cardano could be setting up, guys. Cardano above 2600, Cardano USD. I've made a YouTube video already. Cardano USD above 150. I'll buy it. I think it has another leg up. In my place, Kate Queen. So yeah, I like Cardano, and I mainly like news. And a lot of these altcoins, guys, there's gonna be another market cycle. Whether they go up to like $5, $7, they're gonna dip again 70-80% in a bear market. So you've got to be careful of that. And even Bitcoin will dip. I love Bitcoin. What we're seeing with Bitcoin. One really crazy scenario is has been the question that I'm asking myself. I don't have the answer to this. If we study Bitcoin chart, guys, from way back, in 2014, and how the market has moved, we can see Bitcoin just going up, up, and up. And high time frame, Bitcoin could do something similar. If you study the stock market, guys, stock market has been up, up, and up since way back below. It has had two big dips, but it's always just goes up. If Bitcoin can mature, Cardano is a scam. I mean, how is it a scam? It'd be good if you explain it. I don't know what you mean by scam, but we'll have to see. I don't know if it's a scam. I think most altcoins are scam, but I wouldn't call Cardano a scam. I don't think Cardano will do like a rug pull. I might be wrong. But that could be an amazing thing if Bitcoin matures like the stock market and it just goes up and up and up. The way they're printing money is a massive hedge for Bitcoin. That's why I love Bitcoin so much. And I've shared with you small cap coins, and you can copy my watch list, especially the new ones that I'm getting in. But yeah, we'll have to see what that happens. This would be a dream scenario for me. And then if Bitcoin dips into 20K, guys, I'm gonna buy a lot of Bitcoin back. I've never held this less Bitcoin because I always buy dips, and when it's breaking out, I got in lucky. 2017. This is where I was getting into crypto first time. I'd been trading forex for 3-4 years, and this is when this is when I could leave my job. And it so read my mind. You'll see me buying when I start buying Cardano, it will pump again. I'm joking, by the way. I'm not doing that. But I've shared my setup. I'll look to trade. Cardano is one of the coins that's traded really well for me. Any coins, any last pump coins you guys want to share? I've not looked at BTT, have I? BTT was the most popular coin on this channel. So BTT, I sold BTT at 10 cent, 1 cent, sorry, not 10 cent, 1 cent. That's always been my plan. The trade setup that I shared, it was always my plan to share, sell, take profit here. And then look how it dipped. And this one worked. I almost sell the top. You can never sell the top. You never sell the top. Don't try to sell the top. My cat's annoying. I'll have to let my cat in. But we can see this has been amazing. But study VeChain. I sold VeChain too early. VeChain's pumped a lot against BTC. I sold VeChain early, and you miss out on things, and sometimes you get it right. So VeChain, I sold it way early. The most important thing is get good in entries and pump it. RSR is looking good. AGI, I'll have a look at AGI. Yeah, comment below any last coins you want me to review. I'll stay live for another 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Talk about the group if you're interested at the end. But yeah, comment below your biggest bag, biggest investment, biggest coin you like. I've not done T-Fuel. I think Sophie was saying T-Fuel pumps. I'll have a look at T-Fuel. So RSR above 10 cent, I'll buy it again. So RSR is not a coin that I'm holding. I've still got some VeChain, not VeChain. I've got some Cardano and Zilliqa bags from way below last year. I've not got VeChain bags because I got in a bit later, more of a trade. But yeah, RSR, I'm not in RSR now. This was my main trade. I got stopped out here and I've not jumped back in RSR. But RSR, Rune, these are a couple of coins that just pumps. RSR, Rune, these coins just pumps. And I'm telling you coins that are pumping. This will pump again. I don't know what this coin does, by the way. And KSM is another one. And one of the things I share is, you know, when it's holding TVK. How do you know about TVK? TVK is my moon bag. Pump TVK. I'll share with you TVK. There's a couple of guys that are pumping TVK as well in the group. So TVK, I got stopped out at 0.7 cent. Then I attempted again, 0.3, 0.4, stopped below 0.28, 0.3, and it pumped like crazy. I got stopped out here. I took a position in, I thought this was going to be support. I got stopped out here at 0.7. And again, I own TVK bags, so I'm not trying to pump my bags. I think this rallies a lot. So I think TVK goes a lot higher, but we'll see. There's lots of news. No worries, mate. You can catch them, and you've catched a lot of trade. But yeah, TVK is good. Which coin was I looking at? RSR. Yeah, we did. And again, and one thing I'll say, I look like a genius now that I'm saying coins are pumping, but most coins are going up. So that's why it's easy to trade. And my win rate, you know, and this is, I don't want to have people, I want the right people in the group as well. There's people that join and just like, oh, pump coins, tell me one coin to put $1,000 in and I want to be a millionaire. You know, I made the money that I made in this few months, you know, I didn't make that as much in the next year and a half. And I lost money here as well. It depends on the market. You know, this breakout was amazing. This has been the most amazing. You could make life-changing money in few months when it goes up like this. And this chop zone, we want to be careful of this chop zone. I want to protect my wealth in this chop zone. Will I buy TVK now? I've sold. First target TVK was 50 cent, so 51 cent. This is where I sold TVK. I want TVK to hold a pullback. I'm still in TVK. I have a hodl back from way before, and sold at $1 was a big sell zone for me. I knew that it was gonna, the $1 is just people that hodled this bag, or you know, there's lots of people that got into TVK before me. My friend had connections with this project, so again, I'm not pumping my friend's bag. I'm being completely honest. There's lots of YouTubers way bigger than me try to buy coins and then do pump and dumps. I don't, you know, try not to do that. But you shouldn't trust me. You shouldn't trust anyone. You know, learn to think for yourself, and that's the biggest thing that, you know, I personally like about myself. You know, I try to go out there. You know, so people in my group are talking about cake, staking. I'm doing my own research. I love them. I trade with them, and they're like, you know, friends. I speak to them. They listen to me more than probably some of their friends, doing, you know, 3 to 4 live streams and texting in the group. But you know, I'm still doing my own analysis. I'm learning lots about cake. You know, liquidity provider, all the risks to it. They've been staking cake, and cake has gone up, you know, 300% since our last trade. And people that got in before, my entry was here. I think Soph's entry was below here. They're up thousands of percents in cake, but you still got to be careful. VRA, yeah, I'll do VRA. I've done TVK, haven't I? VChain, Thor, and Theta, T-Fuel. So T-Fuel will move crazy when Theta breaks out. You already know this. Get crazy dips like that, I would buy like $20 dip, 20 cent dip. This is coming into resistance. This is looking good. The chart looks nice. I would get in on pullbacks, and if you do get in, I would not want it to lose this level. So if you do buy it and it starts trend changing, I'd exit. But this looks amazing, especially if Theta starts breaking out. I'd look to get in then. If Theta starts breaking out about 15, 16, buy T-Fuel. And we've done this before. T-Fuel just goes parabolic. I think it did like 200% against BTC within like hours. Which coin is pumping now? Comment a coin that is pumping now. I'll buy it. I'll pump it with you guys live. So yeah, I'll post again, Anthony, Enrico. We'll have a look at T-Fuel Theta in a lot more detail tomorrow morning, live stream in the group. VRA, let's have a look at VRA. So VRA is looking nice. Lot of coins. Solano, don't talk about Solano. I own bags of Solano. Solano, SRM, FTT. Study those projects. I won't talk too much about them tonight. I've not made YouTube videos on them. Study the Solano, FTT, SRM ecosystem. So this looks good. Where did it bounce from? Yeah. 60% bounce from 618. Getting above daily moving average. You get pullbacks above this, look to buy it. I would buy pullbacks above it. So is Cake a good buy and hold? I've missed VeChain. VeChain Thor is similar to VeChain. I personally got out of VeChain a bit too early. If VeChain gets above 0.022, I don't know. Someone in the group asked me this question. I shared this setup. VeChain beat VThor above 0.022. VED BTC above 400. I'd look to buy back VeChain, but it would be more of trade. So you just pump one to log into like one of my accounts. So one is looking good again, isn't it? Weekly pullback, 72%. One has been one of my best trades, you know. I'm not the best at buying this dip. I've not been watching this dip, but what a dip it was. DGB pump. Do you own bags of DGB, mate? So Harmony is looking good. Yeah, I like that. So it's broken trend line. I don't want to just buy pumps. I want to see a bit more strength. That's basically my strategy. It's a lot harder to do than you're saying. Sold. What did you sell? Not sure what you mean by you sold. But yeah, Harmony looks good. Let me have a look at one BTC before I get excited. So yeah, this is why I'm not that excited in one BTC. You sold DGB. Dogecoin pumped $1. What's happening on May the 8th? I don't know what you mean. Does anyone know Dogecoin to $1? That's a bit crazy. We'll have to see. But yeah, one BTC. This is where I sold one BTC, and I posted this one as well. When I sold one, one has been amazing. This breakout in one has been amazing. So I'll make a price prediction for one as you guys are asking, but I want to buy it way back above there. This is where I sold one, and it pumped above me, but this was my main sell, this red candle. So one for me, I'd want to see it trend changing above. At the moment, it's not bad. It's looking good. This has got resistance here. Let me see where the Fibonacci is bouncing from this Fibonacci. What a trade this was. This is like, watch the uni setup I shared and watch this. It's funny that more people are joining near the end of the live stream. We've got about 50 people watching. Start of the live stream, there wasn't that many. But where's 50% range in one? It's breaking 51%. I like it. I like it. I don't really like Bitcoin Cash. How do you know? I don't like Bitcoin Cash. Yo, what's this guy's Inchem? Don't know what you love Dogecoin. What are you talking about? Dogecoin Elon Musk. Let me Google what you're talking about. Is Elon Musk? How do you know Elon Musk is pumping? I don't know what you mean. Oh, Elon Musk is going on that news, isn't he? That Saturday. Yeah, no worries, mate. People say that, you know, and even people say, message me, Rocko, I'm gonna be a big trader. I'm gonna learn every coin that I can buy and all that good stuff. People say, I'll do a summary at the end. People say, oh, Rocko, I'm gonna study 10 hours a day. People don't do that, you know. I can tell you the secret. Study your charts. You know, record your trades, where you're buying, where you're selling. And we've got about 50 people watching. I'd love if you guys if you guys can hit the like button, guys, 50 likes would be amazing. I'll do another one next month. And thank you all for watching, guys. I really, really appreciate it. I think I need it more. What should be my title? A question to you guys. What should be a clickbaity title? I tried my clickbait title today. Top 10 coins to explode. But I don't think it's worked. And I think I need a more clickbaity title. Yeah, I'm just so busy with my own trading and the group. And I don't even do mentoring. I used to do mentoring. That's just too time consuming. But I do 3 to 4 live streams in the group if you're interested. But yeah, and YouTube I just do it once a month. And this is more like casual as well. I don't want to get too technical because that's what I've realized. My YouTube channel, I think I'm gonna make it more fundamental, and I think people don't really understand the technical analysis as much. But I'll be honest with you, that's what makes me money. I'll leave the links at the below the Rockstar Trading Group. You can try it. I'll post the link if you check. If you click my channel, and then you'll find out here if you're interested. But if you want to take a trade, you can check it out if you're interested. But again, just hit the like button. That will mean a lot to me. Coins that will outpump 10x your money. I like that. 10x your money in 10 days. Bitcoin to explode. That should work. So what is your opposite? What is the most hated coin? So how many hated coins? So one of the bags that I have is Vertcoin. This is the first ever altcoin wise. This is like an OG coin, and this is actually breaking out now. This is like an OG coin. Actually, if I held this coin, I would not have lost money. I'll probably break even on this now. But this is a coin that I hold. Sort of, I always say insane moon coins. I think I'm gonna make a video on cake, so if you're interested, and you guys watching, I'll make a best cryptocurrency and I'll talk about cake. Yeah, I hate that coin, BSV. I mean, XRP, I don't hate XRP as much as other people do. I know lots of people hate on XRP. I like money, I just want to make money. Even if it's a scam coin, I'll trade it. XVG, I hate XVG. And what I hated about XVG was they got people to send them money to pump, and that was horrible. But XVG, I shared a couple of setups in it. Same setups, pullbacks and a moving average and all that good. SafeMoon, I probably hate SafeMoon. But yeah, XVG would have to be right up there. XVG would have to be right up there for me. Yeah, I really don't like it. BSV I don't like. Vertcoin, I don't hate that coin, but it's just a bag that I hold. I said I'd never sell it. It looks like it's on Bittrex. I've got that money in. It's one of the really old exchanges. OGs will remember. It's coming back to life. It's crazy. It's dollar value. Vertcoin against BTC is probably still down. Oh my god. And Vertcoin could be breaking now. I talked about Sia coin as well. These are OG coins that could be pumping. Dogecoin to $1. You guys already know. Any last questions? Trading related, psychology, my group, pump coins. Any questions that you have? QTUM. I know lots of people like QTUM, I don't know too much about it. HBAR, QTUM, those are like small cap coins that are really good. I used to do it a lot. I don't as much. So I mean, if you watch the live stream, I talked about that Doge trade. It was like a 5-minute scalp, 5-minute time frame scalp trade I did. But yeah, I don't do that as much. I day trade the pound a lot. Forex, I still day trade oil and the cable. Those are like some I scalp. I don't scalp BTC as much. It's just, whatever time you have. I mean, if you're new, scalping takes ages. It will take probably for you to years to learn. And most people won't put in that time in. I mean, at the moment, just swing trading altcoins is a simple strategy. You buy cake and it goes up 100 200%. Even if you've got a small trading account, $10,000, and I don't really do that. I think I'm kind of doing that with cake because I keep talking about cake in my videos, and cake is just mooning. But I think it's a bit of a joke as well. I'm giving warning as well. I've sold cake here, and that was my plan. I was taking by sold that. People just say, "Oh, Rocko's selling. He's selling it." That's how you don't do it. Trading wise, I sold all my ADA. Go watch the YouTube videos. These are all shared. I sold my ADA on this move down. Once it broke this, I said, as long as it breaks this, I'll have my stop below, a stop above, and then I'll exit. And it's been just chopping that. Moving ADA money into other coins have made me more money. It was down 20%. Then this was a Coinbase pump. It pumped about 14%. Now it's about 8% up. So what is your strategy for buying cake? You need to have it. I think cake dips to 30, buy it. There will be a bounce play. There will be at least 20-30% bounce play here. And if you buy some now, I wouldn't need the stop loss below $20 on the weekly, daily time frame, because it could easily pull back. And then buy, if you have a $10,000 account, small account, buy 1,000, buy it on pullback. Or if it goes up, buy on breakouts. Make sure you have a strategy. Don't just blindly buy and sell because someone random person on the internet said, and watch all my videos, see my trading strategies before you just listen to me. One coin that I've just had a notification on is BNB. I'll have a look at Ren for you, Soph. And I'll tomorrow, 11 o'clock is our Rockstar Trading live stream. I'll look at all your coins, Sophie. Let me look at BNB. I've just had a notification on BNB. There's a BNB pullback, I believe. Yeah, BNB is breaking out. Buy BNB as well. This is another coin I'll buy. And BNB, I bought a bag in February. Big bag in February. And my sale was $500 where I sold quite a bit of BNB. From trade point of view, all these BNB I bought, I sold at 500. So I'm going to have to look to get back in. Hodl bags, I own some BNB from way before. If you watch there's a YouTube video about BNB. I said it's the best cryptocurrency in 2019. And I talked about their fees and what they're doing. I might make a video on cake. But again, if Bitcoin dips, then you're just buying at the wrong time. What you can do now is buy some now and keep adding to your positions. If you buy all now and Bitcoin dips with a 50% dip, you could be wiped out. So make sure you have a strategy. But yeah, BNB, cake, FTT, reviewing coins, Chainlink, those are coins that are pumping. Those are coins that I'm interested in at the moment. Ethereum, BTC, Sol, SRM. I don't think it will, Soph. I don't think it will. Even if it does, it will be like selling opportunity. I think what Ethereum is doing is, life changing. What they've done with smart contracts. It's like one of the biggest revolutionary technology. But again, I'm not a fundamental guy. I might be wrong, but that's how I see it. So. Let me have a look at Ren for you. Comment below one final coin and I'll review one final coin, then start rounding up the live stream. So Ren, yeah, I won't buy Ren now. From trading wise, it is at support. So if it flips $1, I'd look to buy. Same as this, if you remember. So once it broke $1, we got in. And one more coin, is it NU? Can't remember. It's a Coinbase. Is it on NU? NU is on Coinbase, yeah. I can't remember which one it was, but yeah, if Ren starts breaking above $1, I'd look to get in. Let's pump BNB. But trading wise, if this pulls back, I'd be interested in this. I will be interested in buying it pullback in this. Green candle somewhere set up there, I'd be interested. But yeah, I'll review it tomorrow for you in a bit more detail. Ren BTC. Yeah, Ren BTC. I can see why you like it. I like Ren BTC, where Ren BTC is. I like it, so I'm going to mark this up and talk about it tomorrow as well. So one last coin you guys want me to review. I'll do it quickly. Just comment below a coin that you want me to review. Final coin you want to pump. Last chance to pump your coin on YouTube. Wind. Let me have a quick look at wind. You mean wink? Doge. I'm gonna have a look at yeah. Let's finish off with Doge. And yes, Elon Musk is apparently pumping Doge on 8th of May. So watch out on the 5-minute time frame. Wink, yeah, I want to see a lot more strength in this. Yeah, it's not. I don't like to buy. I want to buy. Look at the coins that I'm talking about buying. XTC, you can't get it on this channel, can you? XTC, you can. Yeah, XTC is not looking bad. I like XTC. It takes out some resistance on the daily time frame. XDC above 0.1 cent, I'd buy it. Elon is apparently pumping Doge. He's going on a US television and pumping it. So next Dogecoin, what do you mean? There's no next Dogecoin. Dogecoin is king. And I had a rant on Doge. Watch this video on Dogecoin. I talked about that. I shared a trade setup in Doge that worked out. I talked about, Doge being more decentralized than 90% of the coins and probably have more use cases than a lot of the coins. It's just a meme coin. They're not trying to like sell you stuff. I know the supply is an issue I don't like and it's a meme coin, but it's more decentralized than a lot of these other coins. And Doge, you can pump it like crazy. Where's Doge? I've watched my Doge videos. I won't go into too much detail on psychoanalysis, but Dogecoin always pump in an altcoin season. So I don't hate Doge as much as people say. Elon Musk is correct. If Elon Musk likes it, a lot of the cryptocurrencies are scams and, people are trying to pump it and talk about big news and stuff. Like Matic, lots of people are loving Matic. And I'm personally, looking to trade Matic, buy Matic. But Matic dumped on his people. It's pumping at the moment, isn't he? He's always posting on Twitter. Matic, they literally pump their coin. There's proof of them moving their money out of their wallet and selling it. And they dipped it like 70% in an hour. And this pumping it again with near to whatever solution. I'll buy it, this is my trade setup when it broke above there. It broke above here. These pullbacks are my trade setup. So I was going to look to get a bigger pullback to get in. I might have to buy it higher. But yeah, so Dogecoin, don't talk bad about Dogecoin. Let me finish off with Doge. So at the moment, it's just consolidating. I would just trade it on the 5-minute. If Doge starts breaking out into new highs, I'll just trade it. It's breaking out now. Spam Doge. I need to finish up the live stream. But yeah, Doge pullback. Let's pump it. Gets a pullback now, similar to my 5-minute setup that I shared in the group. Pump it. Soph's a crazy trader. We're really well done. Appreciate it. That's a really nice trade. Well done, Soph. I shared that. I didn't make money on Matic. There's so many coins breaking out. I can't trade all the coins myself. So at least it makes me happy when other people make money from it. So thank you very much, guys. Let's see if you can get it to 50 likes. It really mean that if you get 50 likes, I'll do another one. In a couple of weeks' time, maybe I'll do another live stream. I really enjoyed this live stream. The last one was really funny. There's a guy trying to flirt with another girl on the live stream, and it was really fun. But there's a lot more people watching. But I'll do another live stream in a couple of weeks' time. But thank you all for watching. I really enjoyed it. I've had a drink. I'm gonna enjoy myself. For Rockstar traders, I'm gonna do a live stream tomorrow, 11 a.m. Yeah, see you tomorrow, mate. 11 a.m. tomorrow for you guys, and that will be a bit more technical. This was talking about fundamentals, and obviously some people are not. Don't. If I talk about just trading, they will probably won't understand it. So, but yeah, Doge is looking good. Look for a pullback to get in. As long as it's holding above 30 cent, I like it. And then if it pulls back, I think it could move up higher. I'd attempt to trade on this, targeting similar to my trade setup last week that I shared. Looking back at BTC, yeah, see you tomorrow, guys. Looking back at BTC, I like what BTC is doing here. BTC pulls back to this zone, I would look to get in. If BTC consolidates in this zone, look to buy any altcoins that I've shared. They'll probably pump 10-20%. If BTC consolidates this weekend, there'll be some altcoin pumps, and I'll share with you some more setups tomorrow with entries, exits, and all that good stuff. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It's a Facebook and Telegram group. I'll leave the links below now if you guys are interested. So I do 3 to 4 live streams. I'll just talk about it at the end of the live stream, and if you are interested, great. If not, just like the subscribe button, guys. Again, I started this YouTube channel. You know, I was just myself and a couple of people, and then it's grown into this amazing thing. I get nice messages. It really means a lot to me. Just hit the like button. I'll just post the link in the group now. You can check it out. So I do 3 to 4 live streams in the group. You can trial us monthly. You can get the full course if you want, or you can get the yearly subscription. I do trade, 3 to 4 live stream, post in a Telegram group. You get a strategy guide to get you started. And yeah, just trial us if you're interested. You can get the full course if you really like what we're doing, or you can trial us for a month and see if it's for you. And if not, guys, that's great. Just hit the like button, subscribe button, turn on the notification button. And there's about 40-50 people watching. Let's see if we can get me to 50 likes. And then yeah, I'll do another one. I'll try and do once a month on YouTube, just a casual live stream on a weekend or a Friday, Thursday evening. I'll try and do another one next month as well. So again, thank you all for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully I've given you some tips. I want to end the video, even though I've had a drink. I don't want to say go all in and be a millionaire. Don't do that. Please, have risk management, have stop losses, and grow your wealth. Those are the few tips I'll give you. And then one thing I will say is, people are saying best group ever, and in a bear market you guys will probably hate me. You'll be like, oh Rocko, this coin's not pumping, that coin's not pumping. This is the time to be making money. And as long as this continues, if you guys join and this just dumps, and I don't want to be a seller, I'm happy with my trading money. This is like what I enjoy doing, and it's a great community, as you can see. If Bitcoin starts moving up and consolidating, Ethereum goes up what it's doing, these altcoins will pump. Whether it's Matic, Cake, and all that coins I've been sharing. Buy Doge Father on BSC, cry later. Elon and Binance need to share this to everyone. We're all going to be rich. There's quite a few Dogecoin army here. Doge. Why do you guys like Doge so much? I'm gonna look at Doge for the pump with Elon Musk. I think that will be a big pump. Anyways, thank you very much, guys. If you are interested in the group, I'll leave the links below. If not, guys, just smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification button. I will be doing another live stream sometime next month. If you turn on the notification button, you'll get notified when I'm going live. So thank you very much. If you have enjoyed it, just comment below, thank you, and just hit the like button. That will mean a lot. So thank you all, guys, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow in the live stream. If not, guys, I'll catch you guys in the YouTubes. Thank you very much, and see you all soon. Take care, guys.